Children. Today we are going to discuss Block 20, that is force, LP1. Our aim is to identify the effect of force on an object. Before going to start, children, can you tell me what is meant by the force and what happens when a force is applied to an object? Okay, let's find out the answer. Let us consider some of our everyday experiences, such as running, catching a ball, hitting a ball with a bat, goalkeeping, jumping, etc. Similarly, when we open the door, we pull an efforts we put an effort on the door knob with our hands, either to push the door forward or pull it backwards. The actions like picking, opening, shutting, kicking, hitting, lifting, pushing, pulling are often used to describe a certain task. In all such activities, we are changing the state of motion of some objects. That is, either the object is made to come to rest, or to move faster, or to change its direction of motion. This action usually results in some kinds of change in the motion of an object, which is due to the force. So we can easily define the force. The force is a push or pull that can change the state of motion of an object or change its shape. Okay, now what are the effects of the force? Now consider a thin rubber balloon, as you can see in this picture. A balloon sorry, blow air into it. The shape changes. When then tie it open end with a thread. Now press the air filled balloon again. The shape changes. This all due to the effect of forces. When you play the football is kept in the center of the field. When you kick it, it moves towards the given direction. Similarly, in the kitchen, your mother make a ball from the dough and roll them into chapatis. In this case, she is applying a force to make them flat. One can change the direction of the object by applying a suitable force on it. For example, in cricket, the speed of the ball hit by the batsman reduced to zero when the fielder catch it. Also, if you kick a moving football, the speed of the football increases. From all these examples, we can easily say that the overall effect of the force is a force can change the shape of an object. Number 2, a force can move an object. Number 3, a force can stop an object. Number 4, a force can change the speed of an object if it is already moving. Number 5, a force can change the direction of moving object. Now, these are some questions. Children, now pause the video and try to answer each of them. Number 1, how are actions like lifting, stretching applicable in your life? Yes, lifting is used for picking up the things, and stretching is used for changing the shape of the things like rubber bands. The next question, which of this action is push or which are pull? Yes, lifting is pull and stretching is push. Now the last question, define the force. Yes, force is the push or pull that can change the state of motion of an object or change its shape. At the last, complete the S1 which is given in your application book and write down the practice question answer in your physics notebook. Thank you.